So why aren't your AI pilots scaling? It's a huge problem, so let's get right into it.
Your pilots are succeeding, but they're also going absolutely nowhere. Does that sound familiar? Here's the core of the problem. You're using a tech playbook for an operating model transformation. This leads to what's called the pilot trap, a frustrating, endless cycle of AI experiments.
You identify a use case, you launch a pilot, you see some results, and then it just repeats. Now, let's be really clear, this is not a technology failure. It is an organizational design failure.
The good news, because this is a structural problem, it has a very specific fix.
We need to close 3 readiness gaps. Let's walk through them one by one. First up, governance infrastructure. And no, this is not just about writing another policy document.
See, a policy is just what you intend to do. Infrastructure is what actually makes AI deployable.
We're talking real accountability, decision rights, audit trails. The whole system needs to be in place.
And this is getting serious. The EU AI Act, for example, is going to demand this pretty soon.
Okay, gap number 2 is enablement. This is way more than just another round of employee training. Training is about knowing the tools. Enablement is about actually redesigning how the work gets done.
Because if you don't redesign the workflow, even your perfect pilots simply won't get adopted.
And the final piece, execution discipline. This tackles one of the biggest failures in AI strategy. The simple truth is, most companies have no clear criteria for when a pilot should actually scale. So before you launch, you need success metrics, scale triggers, and a clear owner. No excuses. So if your AI program has stalled out, stop looking at your tech stack. Instead, ask your team this: what infrastructure do we actually have in place, not just policy? Then ask, have we really redesigned the work itself, or did we just run a training session? And finally, what are the exact criteria that move our pilots from a cool experiment to production? If the answers you get back are vague, well, you don't have a tech problem, you have a readiness gap. Remember, this isn't about buying new tech. It's an organizational design decision, and it's one you can solve.